Hi, it's Joan. The partner of the person who opens a game force, two clubs, for example, this enormous and beautiful hand would obviously open the bidding with a game force, but their partner is just as important because when they give a positive response, it means so much. And in terms of this hand with many high card points, 22, you would do a loser count on this hand just to know the exact quality. And loser count is assuming the spades are trumps. There'd be one loser in hearts because you're missing the king, one loser in clubs because you're missing the ace and you've only got a doubleton, and one loser in diamonds because you're missing the king queen, but you've only got a doubleton. But so that's three losers. You've clearly got a game force. So we'll open two clubs. But if partner gives a positive, then you know that some of your losers are covered. Partner said three clubs. So it's important not to show a positive response unless you have a very good suit, 5 or 6 cards in it, and 2 of the top 3 honours, or 3 of the top 5 honours at worst, but a very good suit. So you'd also need about 9 points, but the quality of the suit is important. So when partner made a decision not to say 2 diamonds, which is a waiting bid, but to bid 3 clubs, we absolutely know we're going to slam. It's just a matter of, is it small slam or is it grand slam? And it will possibly be in spades because we've got very strong spades, but it could be in clubs. It depends what partner has. So let's just bid our spade suit. And partner has bid 4 no trumps. What they're saying is that spades will be trumps. When someone, when you're in a situation like this, leaps to 4 no trumps after you've bid a suit, you can assume that the last naturally bid suit, in this case spades, is going to be the trump suit, and that they are asking for aces based on spades for trumps. So they must have a terrific club suit and a spade fit. Whew, looking good. So we are playing key card Blackwood, and 5 diamonds would show 1 or 4 key cards because we're playing 0, 3, 1 or 4. So our response to Blackwood is 5 diamonds, 1 or 4. We've actually in spades got 1, 2, 3, 4 key cards, and we've got the queen of spades. So we just bid 5 diamonds to say 1 or 4. And partner has bid 5 hearts. That's interesting. That is asking about our kings and also whether we've got the queen of trumps. So we've got the queen of trumps and we've got the club king. So our bid would be 6 clubs. It's called specific kings. And partners bid the grand. Very exciting. We've got king, doubleton, club. That's terrific. We've told them we've got that when we told them about our kings, and they must have a spade fit, and they know that we will be making 13 tricks, we hope. Okay, so sure enough, ace, jack, 10, 9, 8, 6 times clubs, a king and jack and 3 other spades. It's sort of traditional against a grand slam, which we don't bid very often, but to lead a trump, and they have. Do we have any worries on this hand? No. We can count our way virtually to 13 tricks. We've got 6 spades, 3 hearts are 9, 2 clubs are 11, the ace of diamonds is 12, and this fantastic singleton, we can actually trump a diamond for 13. We don't even need to set our clubs up, because we'll just, there's one trump out, there it is. And now let's just play ace of diamonds, trump a diamond, and the rest are here. We've got 13 tricks. So club to the ace, now to the ace, and we've just got all the tricks. King of hearts, heart to the ace. What does it matter? We've just got the lot. Bidding grand slams is usually all in the bidding. So, and not often should we bid grand slams, but the point I want to make is that the big decision by responder after 2 clubs is if they will give a positive or not. And so to give a positive says, I've got a very good suit, ace, jack, 10, 9, you would need that. And I have some points, but the number of points is less important really than the having a very strong suit that will help partner it'll cover some of the losers. In fact, the ace covered this loser, the king of hearts, which we didn't know about, covered that loser, and the singleton diamond allowed us to have no losers either because we can trump, plus a beautiful spade fit. So it's wonderful to bid 7, but scientifically, over 4-no trumps, we said we had 1 or 4, and we had 4. And then partner asked, did we have the queen of trumps with the next step? This is key card Blackwood. And if we did, to show our kings. So knowing from the North point of view, knowing we had the king of clubs and the queen of trumps as well as a strong suit, and we must have had 4 key cards, meant that they could quite happily bid 7. Exciting. Have a great week, everyone.